Hey, welcome to another video. So this is the analysis for today. So finally we have this retracement in the 4 hour. Okay, so if you see, we are touching this fair value gap that is under the 50% of this movement right here. So that's a good area to think in a pullback here, and then maybe try to go to the downside again. So if I show you the 1 hour, you will see that we are also in the 1 hour inside a fair value gap. Sorry, we touch the fair value gap, and then uh, we have a green candle here. So what I think can happen right now is that price touches this fair value gap right here and then continue going lower. And I'm gonna show you why I think it's gonna go lower. So then we have the 15-minute, and again the 15-minute we have this retracement here, and this little fair value gap, the low of that fair value gap is the same low as the 1 hour fair value gap. So I think price can go and try to touch that area. Now the other thing is that I believe that price will try to touch this area right here, and this area right here is a opening range gap, right? So if I go back, I'm gonna change to 5 minutes. If I go back, you will see that this opening range gap was not touched yet. So I think that's the area that price will try to touch and then retrace. Here, since this buy side liquidity is also the low of the fair value gap in 1 hour, I expect that price can retrace to the 75% or 50% maybe of this movement, and then try to go to take this buy side liquidity. So that's a short-term trade that I think I can take. And or also I can wait for the price to touch this area and then try to enter a trade for the retracement, right, to the upside. So that's the analysis for today. Let's see what happens, and let's see if I can take a trade today. Okay, so I took this trade here, a short, and it went to my target. To be honest, and I want to show you, my thoughts were that the price will go up and then try to go down again. But again, I decided to take the short when I see this candle right here, green candle, that was rejected in the fair value gap that I told you that that is gonna be one of the targets for the price. And when I saw this rejection, then I thought that it could be a good idea, if I show you the 15 minutes, a good idea to try to look for price going to take some sell side liquidity. Another thing that I saw and that I liked is that when this 15-minute candle touched the fair value gap that I also told you that could be visited, price was rejected with strength, and that's another factor that helped me to decide and take the short. So if you see here, we took the buy side liquidity here that I also told you about, and then when I saw price with this red candle right here that was like going down with strength, then I just wait for this zone right here to reject price, and I got this rejection. I entered this candle right here. My target was below this low right here, and price got there very quickly, right? So again, that's the trade for today. And I also told you that price might wanted to visit this area right here, which is an opening range gap that was pending from other days. So that's what price did, and that's a good sign. Okay, so that's the trade for today, and see you next time.